to.
Okay, I think maybe you can delete that if you don't have a problem, or just create the new one. The new you can still have the other file, yes, so that like we can you get what I'm saying, so that we don't have a problem.
Should I add an empty file or create a new project
Empty
altogether?
file. When you create an empty file, you gonna say you know how to do it, right?
No,
Hello.
I don't think I haven't
After
done it.
creating a yes, you see in the file name there, you can just say
Yes.
test.cpp. Yes. So this one is after that, just write that code that I told you to write.
Okay.
Sure.
Mm.
All right. Yeah, I like the way you think. Eh? Seems like you want to have a problem. Adabella, I
Don't
teach
say
people.
that.
You kumana or I'm teaching a person who don't even know what is see out. Imagine every day in the class explaining what is see out and see in. You get what I'm saying? So my job is like yo when is too much. Like yo. You get
Mm.
what I'm saying? I'm very patient. I'm very patient.
I'm glad because yeah, this programming thing is.
How are you gonna how will you feel if like every day you are asked a question like what is see out? Like tell me more about see out. Tell me about see out. You tell see out is to display the screen. You might get tired, eh?
Yeah, I know.
Mm.
But you must understand that it's the first time we're doing this, so it's not easy.
Mm-mm. Also, for you, it's not the first time, eh?
It's the first time.
What are you? I feel like the way you are doing, unless others, if you have been getting some lessons, even though like your program, might have a problem, eh? I mean the errors. The way you did it, I'm very impressed. Mm. I mean the way you are doing it, I'm
I
very impressed. Yes, I can see that we won't have a problem when we do the hard things.
Why am I getting an error?
Let me see. Go on top.
There's nothing on top. Do I need to add
Remember, on top you must start with hash include iostream using namespace.
Yeah.
And it must be inside the int main. Like, I'm surprised what's going on now.
Yeah. Mm. Do I need to have all of these things? I had to. So
No, are you like in header file, ne? You write header file which you know that you're gonna need them in your program.
Okay. Mhm. Oh. Why does it keeps going back to the main one?
Let me see something on top. Hash include iostream. Okay. Why did you use CMET?
Don't I need it because I'm going to add
No,
and do some
no,
calculation?
you don't need it.
Okay.
CMET, it works
Add
only
what
when you are
font do
working
you
with
need?
the CMET. You need it when you are working with, like, you see power. Like when you write a function like POW, like a square root, SQR.
Okay.
So for the divisions and the modulus, you don't need CMET.
Okay. It keeps going back to here.
No, I don't see your code. You make your code to be like